In this video, I will show you how to apply for a Netherlands visa from the UK. First, visit the official website of VFS Global and select the Netherlands as your destination country and the UK as your place of residence. Choose the type of visa you need, usually a short stay Schengen visa if you're traveling for tourism, business, or family visits. Once you select your visa type, click on Start Now to fill out the online application form. After completing it, you'll need to book an appointment at your nearest VFS visa application center in the UK. On the day of your appointment, bring your printed application form, passport, recent passport-sized photos, proof of accommodation, travel insurance, return flight details, and proof of financial means. You'll also have to pay a visa fee, which is around €80 for adults. Your fingerprints and photo will be taken at the center as part of the biometric process. After submission, you can track your application online on the VFS Global website. Once your visa is approved, your passport will be returned to you with the visa attached. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to How to Tutors.